Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to transfer a ticket to a different room. So let's say this ticket here, which is in online orders, let's say we accidentally rang it up in online orders and we wanted it to be in to go. So what you would do is you would go into the ticket, and here on the info screen, you would go to where it says room table. Here we see that it's in online orders, so we select this and we get the selection wheel here. So you can either choose any room you want to. We're going to go with to go. So now this says to go. Now if we exit, it's not going to save our changes, so we have to hit send and able to save our changes. And then we'll sign back in here, and we're on online orders room, and we do not see the ticket because it's here in to go now. So the transfer was successful. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.